How to automate audio separation with Lalal.ai API. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click on the API link, which will take you to the Lalal.ai API documentation. Next, sign into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, you will find your API key, which is necessary to authenticate your request. Set up your development environment using your preferred programming language, whether it's Python, JavaScript, or any language that supports HTTP request. Use the API documentation as a reference to create your post request for uploading audio files. Be sure to include your API key, the stem separation type you want, such as vocals and instrumental, and the file path in your request body. After submitting your request, the API will begin processing the audio separation. You can monitor the status and retrieve the results once the process is complete. And that's it. Now you know how to automate audio separation with Lalal.ai API. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.